Hello and welcome to this walk around of our 1969 SS Camaro. As you can see here, we have a LS3 with a twin turbo kit from Turbonetics. This was a 100% rotisserie built by Ekstensive Metal Works. You might have seen this car debuted on the TV show Texas Metal and the 2016 SEMA Show. Up front, we have 19-inch custom Colorado wheels that have been powder coated in bronze with Wilwood disc brakes. We'll find that in the rear we have Wilwood disc brakes and custom Colorado wheels. This time, this is a 20-inch by 345s. So it is a super wide tire and it's able to fit in there because this car has been mini tubbed and has a custom suspension bracket. Along with being custom, this car has been fitted with a shaven door style, and in order to access the door, you double click the key fob in order to open it up. And as we can see on the door, we have billet side view mirrors to fit the style of this car. And along with style, we have custom leather bucket seats up front and in the rear, custom headliner, custom dashboard, and a custom center console. And as we go up the center console here, we can see that we have switches for the power windows, the T56 6-speed manual transmission, and switches for the air ride suspension. And we can see right here that we do have AC in this car, which I will demonstrate to you right now. Now, in order to get the car in the first on position, we're going to unlock. You'll see that there's a blue light that turns on here. The car is now in the first position. Let's go ahead and test this AC. Beautiful. And now, let's fully turn on this car. So as you hear, this is a beautiful sounding LS3. And speaking of sound, in the trunk here, we have a JL Audio 500 over 4 amp, 1000 over 1 amp with mids and high speakers. So not only does your car sound good, but the audio system sounds even better. As we can see, the engine bay, and the entire exterior have been paint matched to give it this aggressive look. So thank you very much for watching.